What's going on, y'all? You're kicking it with the Junkyard Dog on junkyarddogs.com. Happy New Year to all y'all. Welcome to 2018. So, yeah, I haven't done a video in a long time, man, and it's been kind of wild going on over here. You know, I had an issue with my camera and a bunch of other little stuff, but here I am. So check it out, man. I am making a few changes over here. First and foremost, I am sad to say that I will no longer be selling parts to the public. So no more GT40 heads, intakes, no more T5, transmissions, or any of that kind of stuff. I found that I've been getting quite a few problems that I can't handle because I'm just one guy. And I'd like to thank all you guys for supporting me and being behind me. But I am just one guy. And some people say, oh, why don't you hire people and all that kind of stuff. But I'm just not into that. You know what I mean? I'm a very, I guess from time to time, very introverted. And I kind of like to just be by myself, working on my car and whatnot. And managing people and whatnot sometimes makes me uncomfortable. So anyway, yeah, man. So we're back on Project Mayhem. We're back doing videos, how-to videos. I want to encourage you guys to be brave, go out there and try things yourselves. We need a new generation of hot rodders, you know what I'm saying? I'm like a middle generation. I'm not an old timer, but I'm not a young buck no more, you know what I'm saying? So I need for, you guys to be brave, man. Go out there, get in them junkyards and go make some mess, man. To take some apart, see what happens. You know, you might find that you find a whole career out of just going to the junkyard and taking parts apart. And figuring out that you have a talent for something. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I do these videos, to encourage you to do your thing. All right? So, yeah, this is just an update video, and I wanted to let you know we'll be back on deck this Saturday. I'm going to be dropping a video on T5 rebuild, so you can check that out. And then we're going to go ahead and talk more about this Project Mayhem block. I did a whole video about putting in the crank and everything, so you guys can check that out, okay? So, yeah, man, we back on deck. Glad to see y'all. Glad that you're out here supporting me. I really appreciate it. And let's get it cracking for 2018, all right? Junkyard Dogging.